You ever notice how people only start respecting you when you stop begging for it? That's not deep. It's basic survival. Most of you walk around like emotional clearance sales. Everything must go, including your self-worth. And then you wonder why people treat you like yesterday's meme. You're not too nice. You're just too available. There's a difference, and it's killing your value. I'm the Dark Light Mentor. You thought this was some self-love kumbaya session? Cute. This is where delusions come to die. One move. Do it once, just once, and people will fear losing you like their last brain cell during tax season. So listen close. Your time, your energy, your presence. It's not free samples at Costco. It's high ticket. Start acting like it. Before I hand you the move, here's your test. Part 1 of the challenge. Name one person who'd actually panic if you went silent for a week. Think fast. Say their name in your head. Hold on to it. Because by the end of this video, you'll find out if they even deserve that kind of access, or if you've been emotionally subsidizing a ghost. Here's why people don't fear losing you. You trained them not to. You're always there, over-explaining, over-giving, over-texting. You ran a 24/7 loyalty program for people who never even signed up. But here's the real power move. Withdraw, not ghost, not manipulate. Just stop force-feeding the connection. Let them feel your absence once and watch their reality fracture. You think being available makes you valuable? Nah. It makes you replaceable. Tap water gets no praise, no respect. And that's exactly what happens when your energy is always on tap. Pull it back and you'll see who notices. Silence is a spotlight. Watch who starts sweating when the light's not on them. Remember that name from earlier? Now ask yourself, if you went quiet, stopped calling, stopped fixing, stopped proving, would they even notice? Or would they just scroll past your memory like a dead story post? Be honest. That answer? That's your freedom code. Part 2 of the challenge. For the next 48 hours, do nothing for that person. No calls, no check-ins. Let them feel the silence. If they come searching, there's something real. If they don't, you've been pouring into a leak and calling it love. People only value what they risk losing, so stop being easy to keep. Let your absence become a warning, not a welcome mat. Because the version of you who walks away without chaos, that's the version they chase. That's who they remember at 2 a.m. when they realize you're actually gone. But what if they leave for good? Then congratulations. You just deleted dead weight. If they needed your attention to feel close, it was never real. And yeah, that truth stings. But pain is just clarity in disguise. Most people run from it. You're going to face it and level up. Now, I want to hear from the brave ones. Drop one emoji in the comments, the one that captures how this hit you. And if you're really about it, drop the name or role of the person you're testing. Let's see who's ready to stop giving away their soul like it's a flyer. Think this was savage? Wait till the next one. I'm breaking down how the most magnetic people command a room without talking. Spoiler. It's not charm, it's presence. And I'm handing you the blueprint. Like, subscribe, hit that bell like it owes you rent. Because tomorrow, we don't just cut dead weight, we erase it from history. Your move.